how to buy now, pay later with Amazon. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can buy now and pay later with Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, Amazon has launched a new feature called Amazon Pay Later, which is the hassle-free way to get instant credit via a completely digital process for purchases using EMI on Amazon.in, which means that you can definitely buy products using EMI. You don't have to pay right away the full amount, just like how companies give you EMI. You can also do so on Amazon. You have to complete the one-time setup process, which should not take more than 2 minutes and does not require you to provide credit card details. And once the setup is complete, you can avail Amazon Pay Later payment option during checkout on Amazon.in and pay later next month or over EMIs ranging from 3 to 12 months. And you can easily track your purchases, repayments, and limits history from a simplified dashboard for this payment mode. In order to register for Amazon Pay Later, all you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your browser and then simply search for Amazon Pay Later over here. So let me also go ahead and type in Amazon. Once I type in Amazon Pay Later, here you'll be able to see Amazon Pay Later, Amazon customer service, or anything as such. Just tap the first link and then you have to go ahead and register for it. So basically right over here you'll be able to see all of the registration process, and now you can tap on how to register with Amazon Pay Later option, and then right over here you can simply visit this Amazon Pay Later registration page directly. I'll make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below if you think that is much more convenient for you. And once you go ahead and then basically log into your account, you'll be able to register for Amazon Pay Later. Now there are also definitely some criteria as to how you can use Amazon Pay Later, and you need to have an Amazon.in account with a verified mobile number, a valid permanent account number or PAN card, bank account with one of the selected banks, and one of the officially valid document as address proof, driving license, voter ID card, Aadhaar card, utility bills not older than 60 days, and you must also be above 23 years of age or above. Further, eligibility is decided basis information already available with Amazon. So these are some of the verification and eligibility criteria that you can use to apply for Amazon Pay Later or EMI services on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.